Let us now try to estimate circumference of a circle. Okay. Circumference of a circle is about 6.28 times its radius. To estimate circumference, we can multiply radius by 6. Okay, so remember that. To estimate circumference for given radius, we can just multiply radius by 6 and estimate circumference. To calculate, we can use this formula. Circumference is equals to 2 pi r, where pi is 3.14 and r is the radius, right? Now, complete the table below, round to the tens. So we'll complete this table. We are already given radius here and we'll estimate circumference. Using the formula 2 pi r to calculate and multiplying by 6 to estimate. So to estimate, we'll just times it by 6, right? And to calculate, what will we do? We'll multiply by 2 times pi, 2 times pi, which is 3.14, times radius, right? So we'll say radius times this. So that is how we are going to calculate. So let's do our calculations. So the first one, radius is 5, 5 times 6 is number 30. So we get 30 meters. 6 times 12 is 72. So 72 centimeters. And 6 times 100 is 600. We get 600, right? Any unit. So that is our estimate. To calculate, let's use calculator, right? So basically, when we are calculating, we are multiplying this radius by 6.28. 2 times 3.14 is 6.28, right? So we'll multiply 5 by 6.28. So 5 times 6.28 gives us 31.4. So we get a value, let me write in a different ink. We get 31.4. So 31.4 meters, right? It's already in tenths, so we'll write the same thing. Now, we'll do 72, not 72. Now we'll do 12 times 6.28. 12 times 6.28 and we get 75.36. 75.36. Now let's round this to tenths. And when we round this to tenths, we get 75.4 centimeter, correct? So that is our calculation. Now let's estimate for radius of 100. 100 times 6.28 will be moving decimal to 2 places. So we get 628, correct? So that is the estimate, that is a calculated value. So that is the calculated value for radius of 100. Now check your estimate and calculated value. You'll realize that you are very close. Do you see 30 and 31.4, 72 and 75.4, 600 and 628, right? If it is easy to multiply by 6.28, like in this case, you can estimate 628 here also, correct? But in general, it's good enough. To multiply by 6 and then estimate circumference. Remember, calculated value will be slightly higher because in reality, you need to multiply by pi times 2, and 2 times pi is approximately 6.28, right? So that's how you do it. Thank you.